Good morning, everyone. So this is our day 3 here in Croatia, and for today we are going out of Split. We're going to drive south. I don't know where. We'll just be driving and driving till we get exhausted. And our route is on the side of the sea, so coastal side. That is our view for the next hour, 1 hour.
Minimum 1 hour.
Such a beauty.
Yeah, that's why we are on the coast right now. That is the island Brač, and that in the distance is island Hvar. Five 40 km long road, only uphill, super narrow. And in summer here, a lot of cars and buses driving up and down, and RVs.
So we are driving here at Biokovo. So we have our brochure here. So this is a nature park, and this is the highest peak here in South Croatia. So from the ticket office until to the peak of the mountain, it's gonna be 45 kilometers, right?
20-30 minutes ride.
Look how narrow the road.
And no fence on the left side. It's going up really down.
Yes, so if you would have like unfortunate incident here, then
It's not here.
you know where you're gonna end up. No barriers on the side of the road. And according to Marco, buses and 10-wheeler trucks drive here.
Yeah, and big RVs and everything.
Wow. So we are still climbing.
We're
The
climbing
peak
already,
is at
I don't know,
1,800
1,500 or more.
meters.
You will see it later.
We are so high.
That's not very I'm afraid of heights. I don't like this view though.
Where are we heading here then?
To show you that once. Oh, that's donkeys. Right? No, horses, baby horses. You can see already the peak where we're going. So we are now on the peak of the Biokov, and the problem is they have a, how do you call it here, walking skywalk. The problem is that's new. When I was a small child, was the last time here. They didn't have that. It is going fucking deep here,
Glass skywalk.
and then everything was glass. Oh my god, I'm feeling already dizzy. I'm afraid of heights. That's not for me. Even that here, even that here on the, it's for me a no-go. Oh my god. Nope, nope, nope.
Bravo! Ma se dopo svaka čast. Svaka čast. Mi ćemo lipo jedan kratki kafe napraviti tu, pa sve moraš doći. To mi je u planu. Da.
Do you see those sticks? Those are guide for snow.
And I do tell you where is the end of the road.
It's so crazy to think that people would even drive here on a snowy road, on a snowy
I think in the
day.
I think in the winter it's closed, but I think in the early springs they still have here snow, and then they drive here. They clean up.
Never-ending winding road.
He will stop here.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
I would say the peak is 2,500 meters. I would say. 100% sure, I don't know. Or do it with the bicycle.
Why is he even cycling here alone? What if he had some heart attack from the heat?
That's another one.
Should we cheer him up? More to go. You're not halfway yet.
Oh my god, that is really wild.
Marco is super religious that we are driving up to 2,500 meters just to see the church.
I don't even know it's 2,500 meters. It could be also less or more.
I'm guessing I feel like it's 2,500 because earlier with the skywalk, it's already at 1,750.
At 1,780.
See?
We have 9 degrees outside.
Look how dangerous this road is.
Yeah, and everywhere laying stones in the road.
Yes.
I hope that nobody's driving out now because
You cannot hear excitement on my voice anymore.
No, but the only problem is when cars coming downhill, you don't know where to avoid them because there's no space.
There's no road shoulder for
Yeah,
you
you
to...
not even a road on the Google Maps showing you anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, look, it already broke away.
My goodness.
And an hour higher. We are reaching the peak now.
Yeah, my husband is so adventurous.
Holy shit, I see the highway. I see everything on the left
Hey,
side.
don't say holy shit and we're approaching the church.
Holy fudge. Oh, that's cars. Look, everything could be allowed to go here. Are you enjoying? We are now achieved the peak. We are on the peak. How you can see, we are around about 2,000 meters. I don't know. We'll write it down in the comments how, or we make it. Yeah, we know it's not in caption. We'll show it right now. I will stand somewhere in the screen how many meters it is, and I will show you now the surroundings. That is Bosnia-Herzegovina in the background. That down, if you can see it properly, is the highway where we drove. That is the water reservoir. and how quiet it is here. And that is the road where we drove uphill. So that is now the highest church in Croatia. Sveti Jure on 1,800 meters. Jay's making her pictures here for Instagram.
Follow me to the island.
That is the road where we drove uphill, or one part of the road. We drove now for 45 minutes from the coastline until that peak here. That is the new the newest building highway. And from the coastline you don't see a lot because of the clouds, they're hanging so maybe in the far distance you can see a little bit there. See, and the people down with the bicycle who are hiking here up. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So that's island part. You see the big island with the mountainous, that is Peljesstadt on the left side. Peljesstadt.
Yeah, I
But
see.
the other one in the distance, that's Korčula. And Peljesstadt is not an island. What you see on the left side, that's a peninsula, a 60-70 km long half peninsula. It's connected by 3 kilometer narrow land. So only that small part is connected to land, and then the rest everything is technically an island.
Oh.
Forest blockage, they want pay toll. Forest pay toll.
Wait for them.
Don't let them get bite.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Hello. Hello. We're just passing. Thank you. No.
It's a donkey, they will not bite you.
Ah, wait. I will pet it then.
No, you
Hello.
don't pet it. Can we
Are
pass?
Can we pass now? Or do we have to... Maybe.
I'm not.
Your side mirror. Hello. Yes. Do you want to come with us?
Hey, not biting the car.
Ciao. Ciao.
I don't want to honk.
Can I pet? Bye bye. Can I touch?
You can try to touch. Don't do it. You're really smart animal, too.
Wow, such an experience. So cool. So, currently, nobody could pass.
The horse gang is blocking the way.
Who would give way? The car, the horses, or the other car? Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Oh my god, nobody could pass. They're not moving away. down after 1 hour and 10 minutes. Was it, baby?
1 hour and 12 minutes. We drove. We was on that peak here?
Yes.
Of
And
that
then
mountain?
another peak.
Yeah, that is the small
Oh, yeah. I could see the
Yeah, that's the
skywalk.
Exactly, that's the first.
So we were there first, and then we drove to another peak. So,
Yeah, to the main peak of the Bioko.
so the whole drive up took us 1 hour
12 minutes.
12 minutes, and then also down another 1 hour 12 minutes.
45 kilometers each way. That is the same distance from your international.
Yeah, to Pampanga.
Just imagine everything with that small road.
Okay, people, so we are done with our nature park trip. Now we are heading to Trogir, and we just decided to grab a quick snack at the Croatian bakery. So I'm having burek.
Sashiro.
Okay. Marco also has his. Do we have the same filling?
Yep.
Okay, so it's just pastry, puff pastry filled with cheese. Yeah. Yeah.
You good?
Good appetit. We are walking around the old town of Trogir. We're just having our ice cream next to the port and watching the water.
People around us.
Wow, the bridge. The bridge. The cars passing.
Wish I could go home and turn myself into who I was. Heard someone creeping through the door. They found the key to my mind, hidden on the floor. I tried to scream, but my voice was gone. And they stole every part of me I used to own. I was taken to another world, couldn't find any of my fears or hopes.